Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog, and we are off to Birmingham and then on to London. It is my nephew's birthday party, and also we're just kind of having a party for my niece who was just born a couple of months ago, and my sister's here from Qatar, so we are celebrating at her in-laws house. Here you can see bits and pieces, decor, beautiful decor done by my sister, and some yummy delicious cakes and the balloon arch that they made, some party bags for the kids. There was also a bouncy castle and just some simple snacks because we had a super heavy dinner planned that I'll show you in a bit. Here's some just tasty snacks, and here we are on the bouncy castle. We had so much fun on the bouncy castle, even the adults went on to it. It was just hilarious. Here we are going to this restaurant. This restaurant is now the restaurant is based in a building which used to be a church, and they changed it. They've maintained quite a bit of the decor, given it a very modern Middle Eastern look, and it's very, very beautiful. And the food was super tasty. I know this is not an ad. And these were the bathrooms, and at this point my battery actually ran out, so I couldn't record anymore, but I just managed to get this recording of the bathrooms. So a very grand type of theme running here. True Mughal Azam theme. Anyway, after we ate, we headed to London to my mum's to stay there for a night. Here we are in East London, heading home. In the morning, my sister-in-law made this beautiful, tasty spread. She had poached eggs and some very delicious sourdough with some very tasty red pepper side. And some scones as well, and then we just drove back to Scotland, and that was it. A very busy but fun weekend. See you in the next vlog.